Alright, so this is... Alright, that's cool. So this is 100% water, just to show you. Look at that. But I need to fill it up again. Wait, hold on. Alright. So then I'm going to fill it up with water. There. Now, dump a little bit out. Now I'm going to shotgun it. Hold it. And then I'm doing a little burping contest.
Don't get a box knot. Get like a little candle bread. Stop out. Stop. No. Stop. Watch. This is better. No, out. Get this one.
You at the bottom of it. Alright, you ready?
So stupid. Just right this go. Bam! Bam! He's got water on down his shirt. He had shotgun off water.
Huh. No. And they've been asking, stop. Dude, stop. And they've been asking for, me making, dude, stop. And they've been asking us stuff making me burp. By myself. Hold on, I'll hold this.
Put grass right in your hair.
Oh. If you like what you see, comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. If you like what you see, comment, subscribe. If you like what you heard, comment, subscribe, and like this video.